Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a story that will inspiration you to believe and is small step to the power of never giving up. So let's begin. Firstly, this is once upon a time in a small village. There lived in a young boy. The name was Aro. Aro was not a rich family. He belonged to very poor family, and his parents doing hard work. He's earned only for food, but Aro had a big dreams. He wanted to achieve them, but they did not have any expensive pen, pencil, and drawing and painting. But he didn't never give up. He was only thinking about our future. I will keep consistency and one day I will achieve my goal. But after during the college, when it would be interval, he went to the outside with a friend. He wanted to play the game, but he went under the banana tree and he making the painting. But but sometimes one sometimes people are laughing because he said, what are you doing? You need to go outside and you do hard work. But he didn't listen uh, every thing, and he is consistency make the painting. And after some times his painting improved, and day by day he is one day everyone stunned because he made animals and stick and the sand painting. And after some time, one day one artist visited to his city, and he saw one person is seated on the banana tree. And what he is doing? And he went to closer and he said, where did you learn this? And Aro smiled and he said, I didn't learn, I love it. And the artist impressed by Aro, and he wanted to help. He gave some expensive painting and pencil and everything he gave. And after that time, year later, Aro become a one of the most famous artist. And and he came to the village, and who was all laughing. And when he saw to the Aro, and he will again standing, because no one is expected to Aro he will become a good artist. But now, do you know what Aro said in interview? He said, it is it is a start the small step, and the during a day one of pencil and one paper. If you keep going on the year, and small step will lead to something big. And so friends, remember this: never underestimate of the power small, and step success doesn't happen in one day, and it's happened by doing small again and again, even when you no one is watching, even no one is believe in you. So thank you so much, friend. Firstly, believe in yourself. You can do everything. Don't listen to any other person. What is he saying? You just focus on the your work. If you're doing your work, and then it would be good for yourself. So thank you so much again. See you soon next video. If you want to this type of storytelling daily basis, then don't forget like, share, subscribe. See you soon.